Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable a hidden night vision mode at your iPhones. iPhone has a hidden night vision feature that will turn your screen red more than a giving a spy movie web. A red screen could be help sharpener people night vision by the reducing the harmful effect by the bright display we stare all the day. So before we get started, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's move on towards our topic. Firstly, open your settings. Now scroll it up. Now tap at accessibility. Now tap at display and text size. Now drag it up until you see a option color filter. Simply tap at color filter. Now toggle this on. Now scroll it up and on the bottom you can see a option intensity. Simply drag this full and appears my screen. You can see my iPhone screen has become a red now. As appears my screen, you can see like this. You can easily enable this feature and it will be look like a night vision mode. I hope you like this trick. If you do like so, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.